One of the main symbols associated with werewolves, besides the full moon, is the pentagram. However, this wasn't always so. The word pentagram was derived from the Greek word pentagramon, a term meaning roughly 5-lined or 5 lines. The Sumerian pentagram served as pictograms for the word ub, meaning, quote, corner, angle, nook, a small room, cavity, hole, pitfall, unquote, which is very similar to the pentamikos, a reference from the Pythagorean mathematical term which means 5 rooms or 5 chambers. Currently, the symbol is generally misinterpreted as evil. This is not true. The pentagram was at one point used in Christianity to ward off evil demons, witches, and spirits. The 5 Latin letters in the symbol, S, A, L, V, which is Latin for you, and S, spell out the word salus, which is Latin for health. Medieval Christians believed the 5 points on the star represented the 5 wounds of Jesus Christ. This symbol appears on Sir Gawain's shield in the 14th century poem Sir Gawain and the Green Knight. In the poem, it goes on to explain what the 5 points of the star mean. The 5 senses of the human being, the 5 fingers and toes on each hand, the 5 wounds of Jesus Christ, the 5 joys that Mary had of Jesus Christ, and the 5 virtues of knighthood of which Gawain hoped to live up to, which were noble generosity, fellowship, purity, courtesy, and compassion. This symbol is also used in neo-pagan religion, more commonly Wiccan. The only difference is that the star is circumnavigated by a circle, and the letters that spell out Salus are not there. The 5 vertices on the star are believed to represent the 4 elements, with spirit to be at the utmost point. The outer circle of the pentagram is believed to bind all of the elements and to bring them into harmony. In the Wiccan belief, this symbol has nothing to do with Satanism. But, turn the pentagram upside down, and you get a whole different symbol and opposite religion to associate it with: Satanism. Although other cultures and religions use this very same symbol as it is, such as this modern Eastern star, Satanism also has a specific purpose of its current position. The 2 diagonal points at the top represent the horns of a goat. The side points are the ears. The bottom of the star represents the goat's mouth and chin, and the spiraling sash of hair, and the middle represents the face. The letters in the middle spell out Lilith and Samuel, or Satan. Lilith, in the Church of Satan, is believed to be the wife of Satan, and therefore both names being incorporated within the pentagram are to represent the same notion as the Wiccan religion: to bond. Lilith is a mythological female Mesopotamian storm demon associated with wind and was thought to be the bearer of disease, illness, and death. The figure of Lilith first appeared in a class of wind and storm demons or spirits as Lilithu in Sumer circa 3000 BC. Many scholars place the origin of the phonetic name Lilith at somewhere around 700 BC. Lilith appears as a night demon in Jewish lore and as a screech owl in the King James Version of the Bible. She is also apocryphally the first wife of Adam. Because of this, and because of ceremonial magicians over the earlier years, the pentagram was regarded as evil throughout time and is no longer used in Christianity. Furthermore, since werewolves were assumed in the old times to be the cause of a pact with the devil and the denunciation of God, this symbol was then associated with the werewolf itself. The symbol, when associated with werewolves, is called the Mark of the Beast, just as the number 666 is. It would appear somewhere on the cursed individual's body, of most notably on the palm.